Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off a talkback shortcut that is visible on our screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. We are talking about this little button at the bottom right corner. How to turn it off, how to hide it, how to disable it. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu, then talkback, and we need to go to our shortcut. As you can see, we have a button press as a talkback shortcut, but to turn off this button, we simply tap this option and that's it. The button has vanished. Button is gone. Of course, if we have other accessibility shortcuts, it will still be under this button at the bottom right. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.